Welcome back to Z Girls Taste the Smoke. Of course, my name is Tommy, and I will be your host on over here today. And today's show is going to be all about indulgence. Of course, I am talking about a nice ribeye steak that we are going to slow smoke and then reverse sear on my Z grills. And all that is going to get finished off with a homemade board sauce. So I am telling you right now, you are not going to want to miss this one. Let's turn our attention down to that said ribeye steak and let's get this show started. Alrighty guys, so look, the channel has chosen a nice tomahawk ribeye steak for this recipe. If you didn't want to do a tomahawk, you can do this with a just a regular ribeye, or even a look, you could do this with a flank steak, you could do this with a ribeye, you could do this with a New York strip. I mean, pick your favorite steak and go to town. I happened to see this bad boy on sale and figured, hey man, why not? Oh yeah. So look, the only thing we are going to do with this steak is just hit it with a little bit of kosher salt. I mean, look, the flavor is all going to be in that board sauce, and you will see that done up in a couple minutes. And of course, we are going to pair this out with some smoked corn. So look, believe it or not, that is all the prep for this part of the cook. Now let's get on back to that Z Grills and let's get it fired up. Alrighty, so that is all there is to that. I am figuring on about a 45-minute smoke bath or so. In the meantime, let's take it on in the house and let me show you how to make that board sauce. While there are all kinds of board sauces, this one here aims out to be my favorite, hence the reason I go back to it over and over. And as always, you can get the full ingredient list right down in the description. This one here is so simple to do. You're going to get everything out into the bowl, finish it up with just a little bit of Greek yogurt, or you can go sour cream, either or. Incorporate all that goodness together, then get your 4 ounces of blue cheese, and you're going to want to break out the chunks that you want. Gently fold all that goodness together, and that is it. Congratulations, you just made some board sauce. Alrighty, so that is about a 45-minute smoke bath. At this point, we are going to get our tomahawk off, but before doing so, we've got to check it out and look how gorgeous it looks. I mean, there is nothing better than some smoke on a nice thick steak. Once we are done admiring our work, let's get it off. We will get it onto the board. Kind of move that corn over because we got to fire up that pit all the way up to 500 Fahrenheit because we are about to have some Z Grills fun. So 45 minutes at approximately 160 in the pit is going to get you still raw rare inside the probably blue rare in the beef. If you wanted this more to the medium or so, you can raise that temperature up to the 200, let it go for an hour, and that'll get you there. When you put the steak in the pit, you want to go right above that fire pot. That is going to be the hottest point in the grill. At first, put it in, leave it in for 10 minutes, and then you are going to start flipping it back and forth. I like to flip every 2 to 3 minutes. That is going to give you even cooking, and also you're going to want to have a temp gauge handy because, again, I am a medium rare to rare guy. If I go over, the steak is going to be no good for me, so I will watch it damn close. And I could tell you, I dig the color that I see on this steak. I could tell we are just about done. 114, 113. I'll let it go for about another 2 to 3 minutes or so. That'll get me to where I want to be. Again, you cook it your way. This way here is my way. That way everybody is happy. Oh, yeah. So look, at this point, we will get the corn off. The steak is going to be done. And here is the trick to the board sauce. You want to go from pit to board sauce hot because you want to start melting that cheese. And when I say cheese, I mean cheese, butter, and all that goodness that is in this board sauce. Just kind of smear it around. I mean, you want to get this board sauce all over the steak, tops, bottoms, sides, you name it. At that point, you have gotten the board sauce all over the steak. You've allowed it to rest for that 5 to 7 minutes or so. It is time to slice it up. It is time to cross our fingers and hope that we nailed that rare to medium rare. I am guessing we did, because my chef's temp gauge definitely does not lie. And as we slice into it, you could see wall to wall pink means wall to wall flavor. Of course, no dry pieces of steak in this on this tomahawk. As we take it in for a closer look and check out that board sauce, what I want to do here is go in live, do that taste test, and talk about it. Alrighty, all you Z grillers, and here you go. I tried to fix it up as best possible for you. We've got our corn, we've got a little Italian parsley for color, and of course our steak cooked absolutely perfectionist for me. I like a nice, you know, I can go rare to medium rare. I don't really like to go over that, so this is going to be perfect for me. Let's do that quick taste test for you guys. Excuse me, I don't have a knife. Quick taste test for you guys. Guys, this is absolutely, you know, look, whether it's a date night, you know, maybe you got the family coming over and you want to prepare something a little bit special, this is going to get you there every time. You know, first off, the steak is perfectly cooked. The board sauce, you know, look, it just brings it all together. There's so much flavor packing in that board sauce. It's, you know, you got to write this one down. This is going to be a must make for that special night. And as usual, do not forget that Z Grills is going to have this full recipe right down in the description. Just follow the link down there, pick up exactly what you need. And while you're at it, do not forget to follow the Facebook channel, the Instagram channel, and of course this YouTube channel and the website. You follow all of them, and Z Grills will have you smoking, have you grilling all year long, I can guarantee it. And while you are at it, do not forget to get outside, fire up those Z Grills so you also could taste the smoke. So look, that is going to put a pin in this show here. I appreciate you all for watching. As always, if there is anything you want to see, leave it down in the description. My name is Tommy, down here is Molly, and until next time, we will see you soon.